Guys, and welcome in a new Eponymics tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account completely. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips like this. So after opening Instagram, go to your profile. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. In this interface, choose Account Center. Then scroll down and tap on Personal Details. In this interface, choose the last option, which is Account Ownership and Control. Now choose this option, which is Deactivation or Deletion. From here, choose the Instagram account you want to delete. These two options will appear to you. The first one is Deactivate Account to deactivate it temporarily, and the second one is Delete Account to delete it completely. So I'm going to choose Delete Account, then click Continue. Now Instagram will ask you a reason for deleting your account, so choose anyone, then click Continue. From this interface, click Continue, and then click Continue here. And now Instagram will ask you to put your password. After putting your password, click Continue, and your Instagram account will be deleted. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel.